Put your mop in a bag and you'll get rid of dirt and streaks on your floors for good. Simply tie the mop in a bag and you'll eliminate the issue of dirty floors once and for all. We often leave our mops dirty and damp when we shouldn't, which can lead to the growth of mold and bacteria. But I've got a genius trick that will clean it thoroughly. You only need a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. Grab a garbage bag, put the mop inside, and sprinkle 1 scoop of laundry detergent over it. Next, pour some dishwashing liquid onto the mop. Tie the bag and leave it for about 30 minutes. After that, take the mop out and rinse it in a bucket of clean water. You can repeat this process twice, and I guarantee your mop will stay clean for a long time. Give it a try. You'll see that in just a few minutes, your mop will be spotless and as good as new. This simple trick will not only extend its lifespan, but also help you say goodbye to streaky floors. Don't throw away your old, dirty mop. Cut off the worn ends to create a clean base. Then grab a microfiber cloth and wrap it around the mop head. Put the old cover back on top to keep everything tight. Dip the mop head in water and clean your floor as usual. You no longer need to buy a new mop. A simple cloth from home is enough. This is the best and easiest way to clean your windows. I guarantee you'll always clean them this way from now on. Your windows will shine like never before, and you won't need to climb a ladder anymore. Let me show you the best way to clean exterior windows. Grab a bucket and a mop, the same one you use for your floors. We'll prepare the cleaning solution in the bucket. Pour about 1 liter of warm water into it. Make sure it's not boiling or too hot. Next, add 2 cups of vinegar. Vinegar has disinfecting and cleaning properties, removes bacteria, and leaves no streaks. Then, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix everything well. Soak the mop in the solution, just like you do when cleaning floors. Squeeze out the excess water and start washing the windows. They will be perfectly clean. If there's any excess water left, take a microfiber cloth and secure it to the mop handle with rubber bands. Use it to wipe away any remaining moisture. You'll see your windows shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also incredibly effective. Grab a bucket and the mop you usually use to clean the floor. In the bucket, prepare a mixture. Pour about 1 liter of hot water into the bucket. It shouldn't be boiling, but still hot. Add 2 cups of vinegar, which has disinfecting and cleaning properties, leaving no streaks and removing bacteria from surfaces. Next, add 50 grams of baking soda, which also disinfects. Then add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. This mixture removes dirt, grime, stains, and bad odors. Mix everything together. Soak the mop in the bucket, as you would when cleaning the floor. Squeeze out the excess water and start cleaning the bathtub. You can clean it thoroughly without bending over. The tub will be perfectly clean. Rinse it with water and let it dry. If there's any excess water left, use a microfiber cloth to wipe it away. You'll see that the tub will shine with cleanliness like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. Apply shaving foam to the mop. This trick was shared with me by a luxury hotel cleaner. Shaving foam is more than just a shaving product. It has cleaning and degreasing properties and removes tough stains. Its ingredients, such as glycerin and moisturizing agents, give surfaces a polished look. Cover the mop with shaving foam and gently spread it across the floor. Shaving foam also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Now, fill a bucket with water and add fabric softener and vinegar. The fabric softener leaves a pleasant scent and makes the floor more resistant to dust buildup. It also has an anti-static effect. Vinegar, on the other hand, is a natural cleaner with disinfecting and degreasing properties. It effectively removes dirt and bacteria. Soak the mop in the prepared solution and wipe the entire floor. The combination of shaving foam, fabric softener, and vinegar creates an exceptional cleaning mix. This method not only leaves the floor sparkling clean, but also keeps it fresh for longer and less prone to dust accumulation. No wonder professionals in luxury hotels use it. Sprinkle and pour it on the bathroom floor. The dirt will be gone. All you need is a homemade mixture that works wonders on dirty tiles. It's made only with everyday household ingredients, and that's all it takes to create the perfect cleaner. Pour 2 teaspoons of laundry detergent into a bowl and add about 2 cups of boiling water. Stir until the detergent fully dissolves. Add about half cup of fabric softener, any scent you like. Then pour in 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of dish soap and about 4 cups of water. Mix everything thoroughly. Grab an empty bottle and pour this powerful, fresh-smelling cleaner into it, and you're good to go. When your floor is dirty, sprinkle some baking soda over it. Then pour the homemade cleaner right on top. The combination of baking soda and this solution will take care of all the grime. For tougher spots, scrub the floor with a broom or a brush. Then mop as usual. I promise, your floor will be cleaner than ever before. Don't throw away your old mop. Don't waste money on a new one when you can easily refresh it. A dirty mop doesn't clean, it spreads dirt and leaves streaks. Regular cleaning removes accumulated dust, dirt, and bacteria, making your floor truly clean. Start by removing the mop head and preparing a large bowl or bucket. Pour 100 milliliters of floor cleaner, which will remove dirt and leave a fresh scent. Add 100 milliliters of vinegar. It has antibacterial properties, dissolves grease, and effectively eliminates streaks. Then, add 500 milliliters of hot water and soak the mop in this mixture. Let it sit for an hour to allow the dirt to dissolve. While waiting, clean the bucket. Spray it with cleaning fluid, scrub with a sponge, and rinse thoroughly. After an hour, remove the mop, pour a small amount of cleaner over it, and scrub with a brush. Finally, rinse thoroughly and leave it to dry. Done. Your mop is clean, fresh, and looks like new. Repeat this process regularly, and cleaning will become easier with streak-free floors. I sprinkle my mop with blue powder and blue liquid. My floor shines for a long time. This combination creates a thick, active foam that easily tackles dirt and greasy stains. The foam reaches every corner, so there's no need for heavy scrubbing or repeated cleaning. The entire floor becomes shiny after just one wipe, and after cleaning, it doesn't just shine, it smells amazing too. This method works better than most store-bought cleaners and doesn't require harsh chemicals. When pouring the used water into the toilet, you can see how cloudy and full of dirt it is, proof of how effective this technique is. The secret? The mysterious blue powder is simply laundry detergent, and the blue liquid is dish soap. Try this trick, and you'll see how easy it is to get a perfectly clean, shiny, and fresh-smelling floor.